What up? Welcome back to another video. Today will be, I don't know if it's gonna be a quick one, but I'm gonna make it short. I did this on my last Cobra, so what I'm gonna do is just put LEDs. I'm not gonna show the whole how to and all that stuff when you guys have seen it before from someone else or the old video, but I'm gonna take them out, take off the bulb, go buy a new one to make sure I don't get the wrong one, because sometimes they look in their catalog and they still give you the wrong one. So I'm gonna make sure, take one off of each fog light, one headlight, and then take it to the store, get the right ones. Cut that off. 1 minute later, pretty simple. A minute and a half later and we're done. I'm gonna close this and we're gonna take the daily. Easy peasy. Jesus Christ, it's hot. Full blast. Got them pretty quick. Price went up, I guess. I mean, well, everything went up. So got the fog light, headlight. Let's go put them on. There it is. One side is done. You could kind of see the difference, much brighter. I'll still show you guys a clip at night. So that's it. Took like 5-10 minutes, but way better. That was a must do. You just clean this up. That's it for that. Lunchtime, chicken with rice, a little bit of vegetables, and probably drink like a milkshake in like an hour and a half, because this little bowl is not gonna fill me up. Continuing after installing the LEDs, got Mr. Box over here. Sheesh. I think this means we're going on a road trip. Yeah. Boombox is gonna look at a new toy. We'll see if he picks it up.
Yeah, EDD paid me good enough that we're gonna go check out a new fucking foreign whip, bro.
Them stimmies coming through.
Low key.
We got a 2-hour ride. I didn't want to go, to be honest, but oh well. Full tank, damn.
Oh, yeah,
we're going places today.
I don't cheap out, bro. Full tank, ready to rock. No copyright strike here, bro.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here. We're almost there. Everyone that goes to San Diego knows this. When you see this, you're almost there. It's like goals. There's a real race car here. Damn, that's an old man too. Almost there. 9 minutes. Made it. In the middle of nowhere. We're just gonna wait on the guy real quick. He said he's like 3 minutes away, so I'm gonna wait on that and see if we buy this thing. It's gonna be a drift car. Is that what you're buying?
Oh yeah, buddy, that Denali.
You buying that Mustang?
No, the Denali, bro.
It's not a drift car. It's a nice little spot. A lot of space to have projects here.
No, I came for that trailer, but
You came for the boat.
Yeah, we're gonna tow it home.
Been in the car for 10 minutes. The guy said he was 3 minutes away. We're gonna go home. Sorry, no car for you. If they keep barking, we're gonna have to throw them in the car and take them to the pound. You look dangerous, that's why they don't like you.
I don't belong here.
You look like you're just gonna come tire kick, not even buy anything. No tire kickers, no tire kickers, they're saying. Sick. Mr. Box is gonna buy a Scout. Fine.
Manly,
Yeah.
you know, and so I'm like, well, look, dude, this guy wants it, cool, and if not, then like, I'll hit you up, but I was like, dude, I'm not gonna do that to the guy, you know, we made a deal, so
Yeah. Came from pretty far, so
yeah. That's happened to me before, dude. You get all the way up there, and someone's, you know, oh, I just sold it. I said, really, motherfucker?
Yeah, that's happened to us a bunch of times.
What do you think? First impression?
Oh, things a little worse than I thought it would. Not terrible.
The front tires are a little
worn out.
Should have listed it for more last night. And just past smog. There's no check engine. Never had a check engine light.
inside's pretty clean.
And the paint's original paint. You just got all
Not
the
bad.
on it. Other than that. And then you can just fire it right up. You don't have to get the clutch in. It's kind of quiet too. It's not all like crazy. Dude, all those cars.
Eventually get you in the AC.
First joyride.
I didn't know how to get out of here.
You get a new car and you act brand new, all of a sudden you don't know where to go and stuff like that. If you don't know how to drive stick, forgive them. Well, we'll see if he buys it. The price isn't too bad. The car is pretty fair. He's been wanting a car to mess with and fix up, he said, so dragged me 2 hours away from home. But we'll see if he buys it. I think it's fair. AC works, manual transmission, GT. It is what it is. This thing is cool though. I'm gonna offer him money on this. Stick shift. I'll take a Bronco over this myself, but this is still cool. Man, look at all this space to work on cars. There's some goals right here. I need to get out of LA, buy something like this. We'll see when it comes back. Let's see if he likes it or not. If not, we'll go home. I'll sit in the car with the AC on, man. Super hot. Oh boy, turn it all the way up. He's back. Let's see how he liked it. Really smooth?
Yeah, like really smoothly. All the trans, everything feels good.
And, the dome light, the bulb one. I got a
Fogs?
bulb.
Do the fogs work?
Yeah. I don't like no shit not
Yeah.
working, dude. No shit. The only thing I had on order, I was gonna order was the chunk stretcher, like $12, $15, and then the
You gonna buy it? Well, Mr. Box is buying it. I have my Cobra, I have my Fastback, and he's gonna have this GT. It's actually pretty clean, body's pretty straight, fading as you can see, but it's okay. I mean, something to work on. Good little project. I mean, for the price you can't really get too much. It's a manual already, AC works and everything, so hey, it's not bad. Kind of excited for him. Pretty cool. So the car's paid for. The guy just said he had the stock seats back down here, so we're gonna get the seats, throw them in, and go home. We're gonna catch traffic. Oh, that's nice, I have a pool. But we're gonna catch traffic going home. This is the part that sucks. And I still gotta eat. I haven't ate. I went to the gym and he said, hey, I found this car, go with me. Begged me. No, he didn't beg me, but I didn't eat, so gonna eat and hit the road. Hopefully we don't catch too much traffic. You excited? Little beat. I think we're gonna take these seats home just to throw them away at home. Low key, I don't think you're gonna use them. I think we should just leave them. Oh well. Let's go. Let's go grab some food because I'm starving. Stingray is pretty cool. The bike's pretty cool. One of these. We need one of these to throw tires in there. What about the bus? You want the bus? Watch them go. Watch them go. Looks pretty good running. Nothing looks funny, wobbling, nothing. It's pretty good. He's about to get gapped. You guys see what I see? In and out, finally. I've been Nate all day. Mr. Boombox is gonna pay a double out here for me. You're gonna pay a 4x4 right here. How do you like it after driving an hour and a half so far?
Actually, drives pretty good.
How's it on gas?
Full tank, so I don't know.
Still full tank?
Like, not 3/4 yet. So.
I'm gonna ask you the same question in a week.
Oh yeah.
If you feel iffy in a week, you probably a little bit of buyer's remorse usually. No, actually, I get that like after the next day. I feel.
I'll get that like tonight.
Yeah, I'll get it by tomorrow morning. If you still feel good about your purchase, then you're pretty happy with it. If you don't, then yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Zach Kyle from Boosted Boys, K20. Man, those things with a K20, they fly. Pretty dope. Look who's waiting for me when we get home. Little Turbo. You waiting for your dad? Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Finally made it home. After 2 hours, we have Selena here, which is Boombox's dog. Boombox got lost. I've been waiting for him 30 minutes. Come here, princess. So Mr. Box got the car, as you guys can see. I think we're gonna end the video here. Any words for the viewers?
Yeah, I don't like the MPGs.
How much gas?
Half a tank's not bad.
It was full when we took off, no?
Yeah.
Not bad.
It's not bad. It needs tint. I need to do a couple things.
Any last words, Selena? Might as well coyote stop it like mine.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe a less.
Yeah.
Typical LS one.
So go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. And we're gonna see this on the next episode. See you guys later.